Isn't it a great day to unbox this GeForce RTX 2080 Ti by Galax? Isn't it? Okay, so now we'll be unboxing another graphics card from Galax. Thank you so much, Galax, for the support. We have here the GeForce RTX 2080 Ti Hall of Fame. Yes, this is Hall of Fame. This is all white, and we'll be unboxing it right now. This is not the first Hall of Fame series that I've unboxed before because I remembered unboxing a 1080. Yeah, 1080. So this time we'll be unboxing this 2080 Ti from Galax. Okay, let's go. So most of the time when I unbox a Galax graphics card, the box inside is color black, but this time it's white because it's Hall of Fame. Wow! Even the box inside looks so nice already. What more if we see the graphics card itself? We have here the box of the Hall of Fame. How do you open this? We have here the graphics card. Hold on. Okay. Wow. This is the Galax Rtx 2080 Ti Hall of Fame. We'll look at it afterwards. Underneath, oh, nice! Even the PCIe to Molex are braided. Gold and black with white coating. I don't know, it's like a net thing. Yeah, we have here the Molex and the manual, of course. Okay, so this is the anti-static gloves, if I'm not mistaken. Perfect fitting. And there's more, because we have here, aww, what's this? There's a free flash drive. It's a really cute, small 2080 Ti Hall of Fame flash drive here included. The front panel for this one, yeah, it's the frame with the golden crown. And of course, some screw that you'll be needing for this bracket. There you go. So this is the bracket support for this graphics card. Nothing else inside this box. And we have here the Galax Rtx 2080 Ti Hall of Fame. The Galax Rtx 2080 Ti Hof is the start of the new era for the Galax Hall of Fame series, changing their game to white and gold linings from their standard white and silver design. Aside from that, they also moved the HOF panel to the rightmost part, comparing it with its predecessors, which are all in the center. The Galax Rtx 2080 Ti Hof ceramic white finish complements the white PCB and backplate. It goes extravagantly well with the 6 heat pipes attached for proper heat dissipation, giving you both great performance and aesthetics. This graphics card supports NVIDIA's latest TU102 Turing architecture with 4352 CUDA cores and a boost clock of 1635 MHz. It has 352-bit 11GB GDDR6 memory running at 14GB per second with a memory bandwidth of 616 Gbps. The Galax Rtx 2080 Ti Hof has a minimum power supply requirement of 650 watt and output connectors consisting of 3 display ports, HDMI, and USB Type-C. You can easily overclock and customize your components with the Galax Hof AI that is available for download on their website. Aside from that, it also has a hyperboost button that typically acts as a booster, increasing power delivered by the component to its max. One of the most flexible Galax GPU I have unboxed with is customizable and interchangeable HOF panel frame. The GPU and the support bracket are all RGB ready, which can be modified through the HOF AI. Well, that's my unboxing of this Galax Rtx 2080 Ti Hall of Fame. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Until next time, bye!